24 plus d equals 15. I have to find value of d. What I have to do? I'm going to move 24 to the right side of the equal sign. And I'm going to have d equals 15 minus 24. So d is going to be equal, I subtract bigger number from smaller number. Anytime you subtract bigger number from smaller number, you're supposed to perform the subtraction, which is simply subtracting from the bigger number smaller number and keep the sign of the larger number. So I have 24 minus 15 is equal 9, and I'm supposed to keep the sign which is next to the larger number. That's why I'm going to have negative 9. This is the solution to my problem, and let's verify this answer by replacing this d by negative 9. And I'm going to have 24 minus 9 equals 15. 24 minus 9 is equal 15. Left side is equal to the right side. That's why this is correct answer to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. I have to find value of d. What I have to do first, I'm going to move negative 41 to the right side of the equal sign, and I'm going to have d equals minus 20, and because I moved negative 41 to the other side, to the right side, I have to change the sign, plus 41. d equals negative number, I add to the positive number. What I have to do, from the bigger number, subtract the smaller number and keep the sign which is next to the larger number. So I have 41 minus 20 is 21, and because the bigger number has positive sign, this number is going to be also positive. But you know, anytime we have positive numbers, we don't write positive sign. We simply just leave 21. And this is the solution to my problem. Let's verify this answer. And I'm going to have minus 41 plus 21. I have to replace this d by 21 equals negative 20. Again, anytime you add negative number to positive, you're supposed to perform the subtraction from the bigger number, subtract the smaller number, and keep the sign of the larger number. 41 minus 21 is 20. Keep the sign which is next to the larger number, and I have minus 20. As you can see, left side is equal to the right side. That's why this is correct answer to my problem.